Hello, welcome everyone. Today we'll create a LinkedIn data scraper. Like we can turn on the LinkedIn data scraper extension, and if we visit any profile directly, like I'm visiting now, and I can click the contact info, then it will automatically save my information like this, also into JSON files. So to create this, we need to follow some steps. So now let's start. Okay, first of all we will create an to-do list. What we need to do, so first of all we need to get the of browser. Now we visiting, like this is a browser, so I visit this one. Now here, first of all we will get this data, which site we are visiting, the URL. So by getting this, then we will create an checklist that we are visiting LinkedIn or not. Check that which link is that LinkedIn, because we are creating LinkedIn data scraper. Then after that we will check is that link is linkedin.com/in, then any username like this. If that link is linkedin.com/in/something, that means this is an profile we are visiting. After checking this, we can know we will send that data to the backend. Into backend, right link. And also here we are checking another thing, that is we are visiting contact info or not. If we visit contact info, then this might be like this, anything slash like this, then this is the contact info. So if we get the link into the backend, we will also send the full website HTML file or full loaded site into backend. Then we will save that into username.html file and check that is check from where we can find this all name, username and others. We'll get this fully, so like this. Then the data by BS for Python and extract it and save it into JSON, and finally we will save this into spreadsheet. Load this into browser and run backend and check is this finally okay or not. finish. Okay, now we can go move forward. I tried previously, but here's some problem. We need a backend also. So right now I will go with that. First of all, I am creating all the structure here mainly, so it takes a little bit more time than others. So I'm creating the full base of this extension, and yeah, like in extension like backend.js, main phase.json, popup.html, then index popup.js for scripting. For backend I used Flask. I can use fast API because I am using API especially here, but I prefer Flask here, so I use Flask, and by that I created this. Here I am getting some error also. Okay, I think it should work now. Okay, what if I on? Okay, this now. Maybe like this it should work. Now this is getting all the links from the browser, but now we need to filter out the only links which are LinkedIn user profile. So I am doing that, and here I am getting something regex error, so that I can't getting the perfect username only or user ID, but I faces some problem, and after that finally I solved that a lot of time later. Okay, I'm getting the URL only here, and which is LinkedIn user, and I tried GitHub here, but this is not getting. So this is working perfectly right now. Okay, after that I need to the full HTML web page, and for that I tried to get the full HTML web page in the backend. I need to change some .json file, because before that we send only data like link or like that, but now we are sending files also. Okay. Getting too much theme, but can I find? Okay, here I'm getting a problem, that is I can get directly from the mobile number or email like that, directly from the username, but there's a thing, that is if I go to /overlay/contact info, then I can get that. So I tried that to solve, and here I use BS4 to get the data correctly, script the data correctly. After all, I'm getting this, but here I think it looks like Python dictionary, but I want something like fully JSON, like username is username, but don't get any extra key. So I'll solve that later. Now I am solving that problem. So I use here Gemini to solve this problem in short directly. I give him the full data how I want to watch this, like a list, and after in the list there will be the JSON data directly, and it works perfectly. Okay, this one is done. Then what can I do? Okay, finally I done this. Now I need to change. Now I start to save it into JSON file, but here it doesn't look beautiful, so I tried to create this like pre-built form, so this should look good. For uploading into Excel file I use service account, and by service account I give the service account access to write down, and by Python code I do that. If you want to know about that, I can give idea. I can share you how I can do that. So finally this looks okay almost. And finally I need some UI update, because the previous UI is not working perfectly, so I need to change the UI, and After that our extension is fully ready. If you want to use that extension, contact me or comment down below. I'll give you that extension.